In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Home button on Google Chrome browser. If you like having a one-click way to jump back to a starting page, the Home button is perfect. By default, Chrome hides it, but turning it on takes just a moment. I'll walk you through it and share a few tips along the way so you can make it work exactly how you want. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Look toward the top right corner of the window for the three vertical dots, often called the More menu. Click that to open the main browser menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its customization and control options. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's preferences. If you ever have trouble finding it, you can also open the address bar and type Chrome/settings, then press Enter to land on the same page. On the left side of the settings page, click Appearance. This section controls how your browser looks and what shows up on your toolbar, including themes, font size, and the Home button. Inside Appearance, find the option labeled Show Home Button. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Click the toggle to turn it on. As soon as you enable it, a small house-shaped icon appears on your toolbar, usually to the left of the address bar. That's your new Home button. Right below the toggle, Chrome lets you choose what the Home button does. You can keep it set to open the new tab page, which is handy if you like quick access to your most visited sites and the Google search box. Or if you prefer going to a specific site every time, select the option to open a custom web address and enter the page you want. Pick whichever fits your workflow best. Give it a quick test by clicking the Home icon. It should take you exactly where you set it to go. If you don't see the icon right away, make sure your window isn't too narrow. Sometimes toolbar items hide when space is limited. You can also check that you're still in the correct profile if you use multiple Chrome profiles. If the Appearance section or the Home button option isn't showing, try updating Chrome. Open the More menu again, go to Help, then About Google Chrome, and let it update and relaunch. Also note that this guide is for the desktop version of Chrome. The mobile app places the home control differently, and that's it. You've enabled the Home button and tailored it to your browsing style. Enjoy the quicker navigation.